Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School and Junior College, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this bridge course of 8th Standard Mathematics. Friends, today we will discuss on the unit test first that you have been already solved. Let us start with this. Before going to start with the unit test, you must have gone through these all steps that you have to write on the front page of your unit test. That is State Council of Education Research and Training, that is SCRT, Maharashtra, bridge course test number 1. School name you have to write, your name you have to write, then standard 8. If division is there, division you have to mention, then subject mathematics, marks 15. Time allotted is 30 minutes. The instructions for you are: first, attempt all questions. Second, when numbers to the right indicates full marks. Friends, this is question number 1. Fill in the blanks, that is for 5 marks. Number 1. Angle bisector of any angle of a triangle bisect that angle in dash dash parts. If you draw the angle bisector of a given angle of a triangle, then that angle is bisected in 2 equal parts. So here is equal. Minus 125 divided by minus of 5. Both are minus. Minus upon minus, that will be plus. 125 upon 5, that gives you 25. The answer is plus 25. Third one, HCF of 60 and 36. Highest common factor, and that is 12. Fourth one, sum of two angles is 90. Then those two angles are complementary angles. And fifth one is 2 integer 1 upon 7 plus 9 upon 11. And that answer leads to 228 upon 77. Next is question number 2. Solve the following, that is for 4 marks. Friends, solve number 1, 12 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10. This will solve first. First of all, we'll write that 12 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10. Here, we'll do the denominator of the first rational number. Means denominator of both will be same. So, we have to multiply numerator and denominator of 12 upon 5 by 2. So 12 into 2 upon 5 into 2. 5 upon 2 is 10. So we are making the denominators of both same. So here it will be 12 2s are 24 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10. Now the common denominator 10, it is taken 24 minus 3. So it will be 21 upon 10. Second one we will attempt, that is minus 3 upon 4 into 8. Friends, let us write this once again. That is minus 3 upon 4 into 8. Here 8 means 8 upon 1. So we can divide 4 and 8. 8 is divisible by 4. So we will get minus 3 upon 4 into 8, as 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore we will get minus 3 upon 1 into 2. So 3 2s are 6 and plus minus minus. So the answer will be minus 6. Let us consider the next problem, that is, in the adjoining figure, line BD and line AC intersect each other at point P. Angle APB is 34. Then find the measurement of angle APD, this one, and angle BPC. Friends, let us observe this figure properly and we will see. It is given that angle APB is equal to 34. Now, this angle APB plus this angle APD, this angle and this angle both are forming a linear pair. And we know that the angular measure or sum of the two linear pair is always 180. So here angle APB is 34. So we'll write 34 plus angle APD is equal to 180. This goes this side. 34 wrote from this one. So this will be minus. Therefore angle APD is equal to 180 minus 34. Therefore the answer is angle APD is equal to 146. Now also here angle APD, angle BPC both are vertically opposite angles. Angle BPC and angle APD, and we know that vertically opposite angles are congruent or their measure is same. Therefore from this two, angle APD is given as a 146. So 146 degree is equal to angle BPC. Therefore you can write angle BPC is equal to 146 degree. This is third, means two values we have been calculated. You will see, that is question number 3. Solve the following 6 marks. Here sub question, find LCM of 18, 36 and 27. Friends, the LCM, that is the least common multiple We can find this by using listing method, prime factorization method, or division method. So out of these three, we'll see two methods. Factorization method we'll consider first, that is the prime factorization method. Prime factors of this 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Also prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And prime factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. Friends, will come to know what are the common that we have been shown with the same color, and uncommon are with a different color. So here product of common prime factors is 2 is common, 3 is common, and one more 3 is common. So 2 into 3 into 3. Also the product of the uncommon factors. Uncommon factors are with blue color, 2 into 3, that will read. What is the LCM? LCM is nothing the product of all these factors. So LCM is equal to product of common prime factors into product of uncommon factors. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. So the result of this LCM of these three numbers 18, 36 and 27 is 108. Means the product of these three will be 108. Next, one more method we'll consider, that is the listing method. Friends, here table of 18 is 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126 and so on. And this product of 36 is 36, 72, 108, 144 and so on. The table of 27 is 27, 54, 18, 108 and 135. You will come to know that 108, 108, 108 shown with the black color, since this is the first list multiple of this 18 in the given table. So here common multiples in this 18, 35, 27, 108, 216, like that it will goes on increasing, but the list common number is 108. So here we can write LCM of this 18, 36 and 27 is 108, which is same. Methods are different. Now let us see the second method, solve. Minus 7 into bracket is equal to 21. In the bracket what should be there? Means minus 7 is multiplied by which number, so you will get a 21. Here second, one more problem. First we will attempt this one. So we'll write that minus 7 into bracket is equal to 21, means which number is here, means this number is equal to 21. This minus 7 goes to this side, it will be divided. 21 is there in the 7th table, so 7 3s, so the answer is minus 3, since at the denominator minus sign is there. Second problem we will consider, that is 5 into bracket is equal to minus 30. Friends, here again in the bracket what should be there? First we will write the given problem. 5 into bracket is equal to minus of 30. So bracket will be minus 30 upon 5, means 5 in 5 table 30 is there, 6, 5, 6 are 30. So in the bracket the answer will be minus 6. Friends, will see the next problem, that is draw a triangle from the following information. You have to consider the triangle SUV such that angle SUV is equal to 90 degree, UV is equal to 7 cm and SV is equal to 9 cm. Friends, first we will draw this segment UV which is of 7 cm. After drawing this 7 cm UV is equal to, then we will take the protractor and put it on the vertex V or at point U and draw the right angle. Take a distance 9 cm in the compass. Put the iron part of this compass at point V and make an arc on this US. Make an arc on this US, so that now join this VS and that gives you the required triangle SUV. Like that you have to construct. Friends, I think you understood all the problems. I would like to say thank you for watching this video.